Hey YouTube, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to change what we're going to change. We're going to change the speed sensor, our ABS sensor for this Nissan right here. So if you want the part number, there you go for the part number. And what I'm going to do is take the wheel off. This one got into an accident, so the cable snapped. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the wheel off and get into that. So what you want to do now is take the tire off. It's gonna be 21 millimeter, or you can use your lug tool. So just want to take that off and then take the tire off. So the next thing you want to do is remember how your sensor is routed. So as you can see, this sensor snapped, so that's why the traction light came on. But I also right here like this. Okay, so I want to go ahead and you can pry this off right here, or you can pull this clip right here, but I'm just gonna pry this since it's plastic and will go back to its original form. And then you wanna get a clip puller to pull this right here. Alright guys, so you wanna get this clip puller right here, go behind there and pry it out of the hole just like that. So once you get it out, you can squeeze this right here and unplug that right there, pull that and follow that around. So you can go ahead, just lock this back in, and then you can push this back in here. Just like that. Then you can set this back properly. And then we can come down here, set that right there, come around here, set that right there. So what you want to do now is remove that. So you just want to double check your work, make sure everything is good. And yep, everything look good. Then you want to put the wheel on. So guys, that's it, the wheel is on. We're going to drive the car and see if the light cut off without clearing. Alright guys, so I just turned on the car and all the lights gone. So look, I still have the computer. I just hooked the computer up and turned on the car in case, but As you can see, all the lights are gone. You feel me? So I guess you don't need to, once you scan it first, that's gone. But I'm gonna go ahead and go in the computer because you're gonna have some history code. But you don't have to erase that. No history code. It will be all right. Alright guys, so as you see right there, that's the code C1103, and it said front right sensor. So that's the one I just changed. So guys, that's why, and it's in history right now because it's done. So that's it. Peace out guys, see you next time.